The FDR system is a new patented solution that works in conjunction with the Austin Hardware lock-in, lockout 7650 series drawer slides. Key features include: allows one-handed operation. With the FDR, the drawer can be unlatched and opened from the latched closed position. Likewise, it can be unlatched and closed from the latched open position. A 300-pound rated drawer can be pulled open with a single finger. Intuitive to use. The design, location, and function make operation easy. Leverage. The operation of the FDR increases the leverage applied to the triggers to make unlatching easy. Potential binding of the latch triggers is minimized. Flexible. Works with lock-in, lock-out slides on both sides, for wide drawers, or with a single lock-in, lock-out slide on one side, and a standard slide on the other. The FDR is our most popular front drawer release design. We also offer 2 additional designs, providing the same great solution at a lower cost: the Genesis Drawer Release Pro and the Genesis Drawer Release Lite.
So the primary purpose of our FDR system is to give that convenience to our customers. So in traditional lock-in, lock-out drawer slides, there's 2 latches on either side. So the longer the drawer, the more difficult it becomes to push both levers at the same time. That's why we invented the FDR. So customizable in length, we can go 60 inches, 80 inches, whatever the width of your drawer is. This is right at 40 inches here. You can see I can lift up anywhere along here, one-hand operation, and pull the drawer slide out. Lock in, lock out. FDRs, Austin Hardware.
Big enough to take care of you and small enough to care. We're your one-stop shop for solutions. www.austinhardware.com